Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 87. We are on Unit 8, Lesson 6, Working with Words. Activity 1, match the synonyms to the words. Number 1, big, enormous. Number 2, nice. So this one should be delicious. And number 3, angry, furious. And then number 4, cold. So this one should be freezing. And then number 5, tired. So which has the same meaning with exhausted. E-X-H-A-U-S-T-E-D. And number 6, bad. So it has same meaning with terrible. Number 7, scared. So scared, terrified. Not to be confused with terrible. So this is terrified. Number 8, strong. So it has same meaning with powerful. Next, we go to Activity 2. Complete with the words in the box in Activity 1. So I minimize it a bit. Okay, paragraph number 1. Once there was a powerful king who lived in a cold, snowy country. Everyone was of him. So because this is powerful, is somewhere around the box here. So we should choose the word inside the box. So everyone was terrified. Of him because they thought he had a temper. So this one is same as bad temper. So synonym is terrible. So terrible. In winter, it was always and it was difficult to find food. So this is cold here, and freezing has the same meaning with cold. So this is freezing, double E, freezing. And then next paragraph. One day a boy was looking after his father's hungry goats. The boy was and soon fell asleep. So number 5 should be tired or exhausted. So E-X-H-A-U-S-T-E-D. The boy was exhausted and soon fell asleep. When he woke up, the goats weren't there. His father was with him. So number 6 should be furious. The next paragraph. The boy looked everywhere, but he couldn't find the goats. Finally, he arrived at the king's palace. Is palace. So king's palace. He looked into an garden. So this one, number 7, should be enormous. We have article here, an. So the first alphabet should be A, E, I, O, U. So we have this enormous. He looked into an enormous garden full of beautiful plants. He saw all of his goats in the garden. They were eating the plants, which they thought were. So number 8, and the last one. So this one is delicious. And then the last paragraph, the boy realized that the king was a kind person and wanted to help the goats. After that, no one was scared of him. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 87. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here, and then right below this video there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.